Today, we about to remove the rear back seat on this 04 Max. Same shit, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08. Same shit, should be the same shit. Alright, start the shit, man. Easy peasy, easy peasy. First, let's remove this seat so we get to the bolts. There's a clip right here. There it is. Gotta pull on this and pull the seat up. Same thing with the other side. Do the same thing on the other side. Right here. Clearly see it peeping out. Pull up on it. Okay. Okay. Take the seat off. Put it on the roof somewhere. Whatever. Put mine on the roof. Okay. We gotta get these bolts right here. You see these bolts? They come off. And there's bolts behind the seat. Now let's take off the, well, let's push this thing down forward so we get to the other bolts. Actually, let's remove these first. That's a 13, no, it's a 12. All of them are 12. Get the 12. Okay. Get your 12 socket, deep socket. Only reason you need the deep one because the middle, you see that thing that's sticking out, just in case you don't go all the way down. You know what I'm saying? There's a medium one. There's medium. You can use that, but take out this 12s right here. You might have to loosen it with the ratchet first because it's tight. Except for this one. This one. Let's try this one. Oh, that one come off. Okay, let's try the other one again. Let's try this one. Take a ratchet, loosen that up, and use the drill again. Okay, I loosened it with the ratchet. Now I'm gonna take the drill. Take that shit off. Okay. Now let's put down the seats, both sides. Take these out first. So they're not in the way. Okay. Alright, let's put the seat down to get to the other bolts. You have to open the trunk. Let's get to the back. Once you open the trunk, you go to the back. There's two straps hanging down. Pull on them and push the seat forward. Pull down, push forward. Pull down, push forward. Just like that. Soon you do that, you see these bolts right here? One on this side, one on that side, and two here, two in here. Boom. Okay. Take those out. Those are 12s. Okay. Boom. 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 Okay. This is a part out, so I don't really care if I lose these bolts because keeping these. So if you're keeping your seat, make sure you don't lose your bolts. Do not lose them shits. You know what I'm saying? It's off. Okay. Now you see how it's coming out? You see how like that? I take off the seat belt right here so it's not the way. This gonna be in your way. I should have took off the seatbelt bolt, but let's see how this goes. I have to use two hands. Nope, oh no, got it. Same thing with the other side. Take the seatbelt out. Use two hands for that one. Okay, let's remove the seatbelt bolt. It's gonna be in your way, so let's remove the seatbelt. That's a 14, both sides. There's another one here. Right here. Hiding. Right there. The 14s. Get those off. Okay, you're gonna have to loosen it with the ratchet first. Or if you got a better drill, powerful drill. I loosened it. Now I'm gonna drill it off. Shit, damn. Same thing on this side. Take that shit off. Shit don't get tangled like me. Shit got tangled. Sheesh. Okay, once you take those off, those bolts off, put the seat belt on top of the back seat. Look up there, look on the deck. Same thing with this one. Put it back there. This one's gonna be in the way. So let's try to take this off now. You see? Pull on this one. You have to open that door so this one could get a little loose. Now, it's type a little easy for me because I don't have the seats here. If the seats was here, you won't fit in here. Now let's take this off. Just pull it off like this. Boom. See, seatbelt in the way. Okay, once you loosen this, you can just put it in the back with the rest of the other ones. Put it right there. Right there. Okay. Now let's take this whole seat out. I'm gonna need 2 hands, so be back. Alright, there's your back seat right there. I'm not gonna put mine back because I'm gonna sell it. I'm selling that back piece. When you're putting it back, you know, put the seat on first, put it back, put your bolts, make sure the seat is down, put your bolts that's up here first, the 4 bolts, well, 6 bolts, there's 2 in the middle right here, you see those? 2 there, and 1 over here on that side, 1 on that side. Pull the seat back, then you put the bolts, your 12s, that was on here, your 12 and your seat belts back on there. The 12s, 3 12s, the middle one right here, your seat belts, it's 14, and yeah, should be good. Put your bottom piece back on, pull on this. I mean, you don't have to pull on that, but you push it back, make sure you put the seat belt through. All 3, it's supposed to be 1 here and 1, it's back there, but it should be right here. It's gonna be here. So you push it in, boom, pull it down, well, push it down, and make sure it clips into this, that one, and over here. Okay, and that was it. So if you have any questions, you already know, comment below. Hit me on Instagram, Jules Mechanics, and don't forget to give me a like, man. If I helped you out, give me a like. Don't forget that, man. Till next time, man. Later.